Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss linear equations in one variable class 8 CBSE. We're going to cover exercise 2.4 question 5 and 6 together in this video. So let's begin. So here I'll be having question number 5 displayed for you. So question number 5 says Shobu's mother's present age is 6 times Shobu's present age. Now let us write this down. All right. So in the solution part, I'll be writing this down. Here, let me imagine Shobu's age to be x. So when Shobu's age is x years, then his mother's is 6 times, means x is multiplied with 6, which gives us 6x, right? So mother's age is 6x years. Now, let's go forward. Now, Shobu's age 5 years from now. In sense, 5 years from now means his age must be added with 5, right? Let's go on. So, as per this condition, we must write this down as 5 years from now, right? This is 1/3, all right? This is 1/3. Okay, now let's go forward. So, as per this condition, after 5 years means x plus 5 is returned. All right. Now, will be 1/3. 1/3 of his mother's age means 1/3 is multiplied with 6x, which is his mother's age, right? So now we can very well do the cancellation here, right? If you observe, we can just cancel 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So what do we get? 2x, right? So now, so when 3 is cancelled off, and here we get 2x. That's how I arrived at this. So x plus 5 equals to 2x. Now, you very well know how to solve this further, right? We just solve this by the linear equations, isn't it? Yeah. Now, we can write it down like x plus 5 equals to 2x, which we had solved out. Now, how do we do this? Just transpose x towards the RHS, which I had been saying the linear equations, which converts to minus. So 2x minus x, which gives you x. So x equals to 5. Now, since we had imagined Shobu's age to be x, his age is 5 years. And 6 times is his mother's age. So her present age now will be 5 multiplied with 6, which is 30 years. Right? So guys, I hope that was quite clear. Let's move on to question number 6. Here I'll be having question number 6 displayed for you. So question number 6 says there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for school in Mahule village. The length and breadth of the plot is in the ratio of 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter square, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Let's go with the solution part now. Here we have the solution part. So basically, before solving this out, we need to observe that they have given the length and breadth to be in the ratio of 11:4. Means what can you understand? 11 is length and 4 is breadth, right? So now you can substitute it as 11 into m and 4 into m respectively. Now going ahead, so fencing all around will be equal to the perimeter of the rectangular plot, isn't it? If you want to fence this rectangular plot all over, then you just need to find this perimeter, right? So when we find this perimeter, the all over can be fenced out. Therefore, the perimeter of the plot will just find it out by 75,000 by 100. Why do we take 75,000 by 100 is basically because 7,500 is for the whole plot and 100 is per meter square. So when we divide them, we get 750. Going ahead, what do we get? Now, you know the very well formula of it, the rectangular, which is 2 into L plus B, which is equal to 750. This is for the perimeter of the rectangle, right? So, we know the answer, but we need to find out the length and breadth of the rectangular plot. How can we do this? The length and breadth, as we thought, we just write them down in 11x and 4x, right? So when we add them up, what do you get? 15x. How do you solve this? It's quite simple. Multiply 2 into 15, that gets you 30x, which is equal to 750. Now, going ahead, how do you solve this? It's quite simple. Transpose 30 towards the RHS, that converts to division. 750 divided by 30 gives you 25. That's how you got 25 here. You have got x, right? The value of x. Now let's write down the length and breadth of the plot. How do we write that down? That's quite simple. We had imagined them to be as 11x and 4x respectively. Then 11x in sense 11 into x. So 11 will be multiplied by 25, which is the value of x, which gives you 275. And the breadth similarly, which is 4 into x, will be written as 4 into 25. That is 100 meters. So guys, I hope that was quite interesting to solve with me. If you really liked the video, do give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Do share my videos and subscribe my channel.